Thank you for voting.
I'm getting kind of tired of these elections, man. Why does my vote even matter?
Are you serious? Last year, 3 categories were determined by less than 100 votes. Of course your vote matters.
El Estepario! El Estepario!
No campaigning at a ballot station.
It's just kind of like a popularity contest, isn't it?
Dude, drummers don't usually get any credit, and this is the one chance where we can actually show the world what they did this year.
Lars! Lars!
I don't know, man. How do they come up with the nominees for these things anyway?
Drumeo surveys people all throughout the year to determine the most active drummers. Those drummers have played on hit albums, they've done the world's biggest tours, they've also created the most viral videos. It's their turn to be recognized.
Yeah, but last year I definitely didn't agree with some of the winners.
Did you vote last year?
Well, no.
Well, exactly. You can't complain if you didn't vote last year, and you're here now. So go ahead, vote.
All right, fine. I'm sold.